It's a common myth that success just happens to people. A lot of times, those who aren't successful begrudge those who have achieved a certain level of success. To reach full achievement, you'll have to get over any feelings that success and achievement are just handed to people because of who they are or luck. Such misconceptions about success that you may have, these ideas could be all that are holding you back, separating you from the success you want and deserve. In fact, it is probably better to use the word achievement in place of success because it promotes the idea of taking action and doing something. Notice the root of the word is achieve. Now, success doesn't really ever happen by accident to people, even though it can appear so. The idea of overnight success, or even the person who just so happened to pick an amazing stock in the stock market, are really nothing more than myths. Usually, it is the seasoned investor who has learned a lot and understands, even at a subconscious level, how to choose a winning stock that gets wealthy with stocks, not the guy who picks one at random. On the other hand, you do occasionally hear of people picking that one right stock before it increases in value, but it's so rare that when it does happen, it is newsworthy. Still, any such immediate success rarely lasts. True and lasting success has to be earned. It must be achieved for it to last and have all of the positive benefits it brings. Contrary to conventional wisdom, overnight success in the entertainment industry and politics are almost non-existent. We often hear rags to riches stories and accept them as truth without digging into the facts. These make for nice stories, as they show anyone can catch a lucky break. While these stories are often not true, when they are always the result of hard work, risk, and/or persistence. Not doing the hard work but reaping the rewards is a sure ticket to eventual failure. Any such success is short-lived and empty. Now, for those who somehow beat the odds and become an overnight success, it is possible to maintain that success, but only if they're willing to do the work needed to maintain it. Any worthwhile achievement will take a lot of hard work, but if you have the right goal, motivation, and reason, success will surely be found by sheer persistence. Yet it may not seem like work at all. You need to be able to look at things with the right perspective. You're no longer doing work for the sake of work. You're doing it to achieve something good that you desire, and in doing so, you will be exposing yourself to opportunities when they arise. It is often said that opportunity knocks only once, but the successful achievers believe it may knock twice, but they never know if they missed that first knock. Those who are massive achievers, the ones who have reached the pinnacle of whatever field they are in, are those who are not just doing it for the right reasons, but those who are able to recognize and seize opportunities whenever they present themselves. For sure, sometimes those opportunities may not pan out, but they may even appear to be failures. But what does the successful achiever do? They take whatever they can get from these apparent failures and move on, stronger and better equipped for success than they were before. They then start looking for the next opportunity and seize it as well. Oftentimes, they will seem to fail to the casual observer. What they are really doing is failing forward. Whereas the average person may see failure as something holding them back, top achievers find value in them. They keep trying, they don't give up. After all, they know what they want and they'll get it, and something as common as a failure isn't going to hold them back. It is these things that make people appear to be overnight successes. But those who are quick to label people as such are the same ones who don't want to do the hard but rewarding work that it takes to achieve true success.